2020 is DeFi summer. 2021 is the NFT boom. 2022 layer one wars. 2023 AI explosion. 2024 is the meme token mania with Pump.Fun. And 2025 we're in AI agents, tokenizations, RWA, ETF, and DePIN. I think every year has its focus, so to say, and I think some of them are shifting a little bit away. I think AI agents is slowly slowing down. I think RWA is definitely seen its peak. ETFs is, I think, the main word for beginning of 2025, ending 2024. Memes slightly slowing down, especially with Pump.Fun, I think slowing down as well. Val, what do you think?
Yeah. Actually, I'm going to counter the meme side of things. Actually, there's a very, very big surge in memes compared to a few months ago. But I think like long term, the trend is definitely going on the low. There's a couple of other things that I was looking into. So there's a pretty big FOMO from retail for altcoin season. So the Google searches for alt season are all-time high compared to the last few years. Also, another thing when we're talking purely about retail, when it comes to like Bitcoin, retail has become smarter. They've become better with managing their risk, and actually retail are the dominant power that is buying the dips of Bitcoin much more compared to institutions. So essentially retail is becoming smarter, and they're all expecting an altcoin season. Given that Bitcoin has more dominance, they've become smarter in the way they execute. The way I see it is being like good visionaries build utility builds good time, and good time creates more degen activity. Right, so I think this is the cycle that you just mentioned, right? Maybe it's a recurring pattern, maybe not. Maybe the actual vision and solutions and utility that are brought out to the market get depleted after some time, which opens up the market for more speculation, degen activity, until the next visionary comes into the market and proposes a new play.
It reminds me of running a startup, right? Because running a startup is all about, quickly iterating over new ideas and testing them and validating them. And I feel like that's almost what crypto is doing every single year. There's just new ideas coming up. There's a hype. Well, it doesn't work. Some things will stick. And we're just continue to search for what is the real product market fit that we still have with crypto. That's a bit unfortunate because it's been around for so long, and Bitcoin has found its product market fit. I think the one narrative that has always been there is still DeFi, and I think it will stay. But outside of that, a lot of things have died off. Like nothing really sticks enough. But I think we need to continue to do that to actually find the real product market fit, I think, for crypto and tokens. I think still the fact that I can send dollars anywhere in the world is massive. And the fact that I can borrow money from someone else is great. I think RWAs will find its place as well. It's a narrative that will stick, but mostly because it will fit in with DeFi quite nicely. But on the other hand, a lot of it has been booms and busts.
I don't think we're going to reach a point where nothing is expected to happen to the market, but they're very not really quietly, but very strategically accumulating assets and waiting for clarity, mostly on the regulatory side, right? So I think they're positioning themselves and waiting for the green light, mostly I guess from Trump administration, to push the market upwards and generate amazing yield for themselves and for their clients. Well, in terms of what they're looking for, again, I'd say it's regulation. I think all of them are also looking for yield opportunities, because one of the biggest arbitrage opportunity that exists in the market at the moment is the arbitrage between TradFi and digital assets. You could borrow capital from TradFi, deploy it in digital assets, and earn a yield from this arbitrage opportunity, which is unheard of in TradFi. So I think this is what the institutions are looking for. And last but not least, I'd say they're very patiently waiting for rate cuts from the Fed, which is most likely going to happen.